Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset the Roborock Saros 20. If you're interested in the Saros 20, the link to it will be in the video description, where you'll also find links to our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum picks, as well as our daily vacuum deals website, so be sure to shop all those links in the video description. Now on the Saros 20, make sure your unit is powered on, pop off the magnetic cover from the top. We need to identify the home button there, as well as the reset button. This removable rubber grommet there comes right out. And that's going to reveal inside a tiny little reset button. So what we're going to do is we're going to press and hold the home button. And we're just going to quickly press the reset button while we still hold down the home button until we hear a voice prompt letting us know that it's factory resetting. So we're holding down the home button. I've just pressed and released the reset button, and we're still going to hold down the home button.
Restoring factory settings.
Now we're going to let go.
This will take about 5 minutes.
It says restoring factory settings. It'll take around 5 minutes, but that's it. That's how you're going to conduct the factory reset. So the white light up here is now flashing, and you just wait. But just go ahead to recap. You're going to hold down the home button, quickly press the reset button with just a tiny little like SIM removal tool. Let go of the reset button, keep holding down the home button. Just to be safe, hold it down until you hear that voice prompt. You'll start to see the lights flash a couple seconds beforehand. And then once you hear the voice prompt, let go of the home button, and now you wait. All right, I'd say like 3 minutes in, the lights have now changed, and it's solid white. Oh, now they're back off. We heard a little noise inside the machine. And that's gonna be it. Once you're there, guys, you're all set and ready to go. So 5 minutes maximum, probably closer to like 3.5.